We received those toys a little while ago, and we told you that we were going to be trialing them at home. So Bernard's been playing with them, and he absolutely adores it. It's really brilliant. You just put your treats just there, through there, and then the dog has to work out how to take the treats out. It's quite different from any other food dispensing toys that we've had before. What I like the most about it is that once the dog has worked out how to get the treats out of this one, you can get another one, et voila, stick them all together, and it changes the dynamic of the toy. It's really fantastic. They're called Odin. They are on our website, so yeah, just go and order. You can put any sorts of treats in there. You can put kibble, you could put the Lily's Kitchen training treats that we have on our website, also work really well with it.